Hello everyone, clear the side sections of the hair, follow it with a section of the hair at the back, make a lovely ponytail, and have the top section of it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner, and fold the braid and make it to the top, and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. The remaining tail we have a wrap and attach the middle part, clear the loop and drop the tail into it, make the entire loop come around the lump we created, and have the tips hidden underneath the bun we created. Have it braided and make it go across each other. Make a lovely bunch out of your gorgeous hair, then after that create a gap using your finger behind it, drop the tail into it and split the tail into 2 and have rubber band attach the middle part and clear loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Combine both the tails together with another rubber band, stuff the tips into it, make it as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and the back section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and tie it over it and drop it inside to get a twisted band and tighten it a little bit and pinch out the hair on the pan. Then with the remaining tail we have a rubber band, attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and bend the tips further, making as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place with dropping little hairpin. Then pinch out the hair on top section as well. Make a lovely bunch out of your gorgeous hair, then after that create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it from bottom to top, make it come down and tighten a little bit, then pinch out the hair on the top section to boost out the volume. Have it split them into 2 parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part. Do the same for the other tail, combine both the tails together with another rubber band and stuff the tips into the middle bun, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Beautiful hair clutcher. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Have a rubber band attach the middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, split the tail into 2 parts and make it to the top, have it as a lump and have it combined together, forming a loop and bring the loop. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair after combing a little bit and make a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, grab the sides of the hair and tie it right over the first tail with the rubber band. Have a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the middle part, stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Comb a few strands of hair in the left section, have a rubber band attach the middle part, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, grab a left strip of the hair right below the first one, comb it and braid it. Do the same braiding on the right side, combine them together with another rubber band and drop the braid into the first loop we created. Then after, hold the remaining part of the hair and make a lovely ponytail and split them into 3 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part, clear a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, combine all the 3 tails together with another rubber band, stuff the tip into the middle one, making as a bun, move the bun to the top, have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Comb a few strands of hair from the left section and have a rubber band attached to the middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side and combine both the tails together with another rubber band. Hold it together and make a lovely ponytail and have a rubber band attached to the middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Then attach the tail to the middle, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.